This video, we saw three methods of writing JavaScript. But there is one more method which I kind of wanted to say it in a separate video because it's an important method. And I can say it is the most used method of writing JavaScript. We know that JavaScript controls the web, right? We know JavaScript in the browser in the console. Is that how the web is written? No, JavaScript can be written inside of HTML files by the use of script tags. And that's why JavaScript is also known as scripting language. Let's see an example on it. Let's open Visual Studio Code. I'm inside JS Basics folder. I'm going to create a new file index.html and let's write some basic HTML code. HTML tag, head tag, and body tag. Inside of body tag, let's write some basic HTML like h1, hello optimist. To prove the point that script tag can be written anywhere in HTML, we're going to put script tag in three places in HTML. First, inside head tag, script tag, alert, I am inside head tag. You need to put the semicolon. In the future video, we are going to be talking about where to put semicolon and why does JavaScript work without semicolon. Let's put a script tag inside body tag, alert, I am inside body tag. And just above the closing HTML tag, script tag, alert, I am just above the closing HTML tag. Now let's open it in the browser. Let's go to the browser. You can open the file in the browser either by clicking File, Open, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. I'm in my JS Basics folder. I'm going to open my index.html file. First, it pops up I am inside head tag, and then it pops up I am inside body tag, and then it pops up I am just above the closing HTML tab, and you can see the h1 also rendered over here. We're going to talk about that. For this, you need to know how HTML renders. HTML renders from top to bottom. First, this script tag gets executed. Second, this script tag gets executed, and then the h1 renders. So let's change this. Let's cut the script tag and paste it over here. Let's take a look at it in the browser. You don't need to open the file again. You just need to reload the web page. So I'm inside h tag. I'm inside body tag appears, but before that, hello optimist appeared. That is, h1 got rendered even before the second script got executed, and then I am just above closing HTML tag gets loaded. So, is this how JavaScript is written on the web? Do they use script tags and write JavaScript inside HTML? No. JavaScript can be written in a separate file and then linked back to HTML file. Let's create a new file, index.js. I created this on purpose. Some people believe that there will be name conflicts unless the extensions differ .js and .html. There won't be any name conflicts. So let's go in alert. I am an optimist. Alert, I am an optimist. And then alert. Hit that subscribe button. Let's forgot the semicolon. Now let's go to the HTML page, and inside it, script src is to link JS files to the HTML space. That is, you need to specify the path to your JS file inside src. Since we are in the same directory, we need to just put index.js. Let's get rid of the script tags. And now let's reload the file in browser. I am an optimist. Hit that subscribe button, and then hello optimist come. So what's happening here? First, the script tag gets rendered. That is, the two lines get rendered to the browser, and then the h1 gets rendered. So what is the solution? We need the HTML to be rendered before the JavaScript gets executed. So let's put the script tag in the bottom. Now let's reload the page. Now you can see the h1 gets rendered even before the JavaScript gets executed. Let's click OK, OK. This is like a common practice that people use in real world. As JavaScript takes time to get executed, HTML needs to be rendered to the web page first so the user won't go away from the page. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you gained some information. Good luck.